Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to fix the block by security policy file error on Windows. So if you are getting your organization's block this file because it didn't meet a security policy error message on Windows 11, including the browsers that you are using. However, if you are getting this for any reasons, then I'll show you few things that you can do to fix these issues. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to disable browser extensions. So all you have to do is to click any browser or click this Chrome browser. And then once you open up, and then here at top right corner, then you can see this three dot and then click. And the next step, then you need now to select this extensions. And then you can see now this manage extensions and then click. So here now at extensions, so all you have to do is to disable all extensions. And then you can see this button and then we need to disable to fix this error. Alright, in the next solutions that we're going to do is to temporarily disable antivirus software. So all you have to do is to click on search menu, and then here you need to type this Windows security, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up this Windows security, and then a flip side navigation pane, and then you need now to select this virus and threat protections and then click. And then on right side, and then you need now to scroll down, and under at virus and threat protection settings, you can see this manage settings and then click. So here now you need to disable this real-time protections. So you can see this button and then you need to toggle this button to turn off. And if you receive user account control and then click yes, and it's already disabled. Alright, so we need to close down this Windows security. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to adjust the group policy settings. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run. And then once you open up this run, so here in box, and then we need to type this command keyword gpedit.msc. So just type this command keyword gpedit.msc, that is one word, and then click OK. And then once you open up this local group policy editor, and the next step, then we need to navigate those keyword. So at left side navigation pane, so you can see this local computer policy, and the other one is the user configurations. And then you need now to select this user configurations under here. Then you need now to select this administrative templates. So click this signs to expand. And the next step, then you need now to select this Windows components. So click again this arrow to expand. And then here at Windows components. And then you need now to find and locate this attachment manager. So all you have to do is to click one time. So click one time. And then on right side. And then you need now to locate and find this do not preserve zone informations in file attachment. So if you find already, so all you have to do is to select and double click. And then pop up this do not preserve zone informations in file attachment settings. So all you have to do is to modify the settings. So all you have to do is to select this enabled. And then this step, then you need now to click this apply, and then you need to click this okay. Alright, so that's it guys. And we need now to close this local group policy editor. And then here at the start menu. And then we need to restart this PC to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.